Hey everyone, we're back again with another authentic Thai recipe direct from our restaurant kitchen in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Today we're making Gai Pat Kratiem Prik Thai. It's Thai garlic pepper chicken, and it's one of those dishes you'll find on menus all over Thailand. Chicken stir-fried with a generous hint of garlic and pepper, glazed in a savory soy and oyster sauce until it's rich, sticky, and impossible to stop eating. No curry paste, no coconut milk, just a handful of pantry ingredients doing all the work. It comes together in about 15 minutes, which is exactly why it's such a staple in Thai home kitchens as well as at street food stalls. Let's watch while Worawut makes some. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil to a wok or frying pan over low to medium heat. Add a generous amount of crushed garlic and fry just a little. Keep the heat low to avoid burning the garlic. Add the chicken and stir fry until the meat begins to brown. Don't forget that you can now book private cooking lessons with our chef in Thailand on either Zoom, FaceTime, or in person at our location in Chiang Mai. Visit chiangmaicookingschool.com for more info. Add light soy sauce, ground pepper, sugar, and other seasonings. Stir well, and then add dark soy sauce. If you love Thai food but still have trouble saying the names of your favorite dishes, why not give ActiveThai.com a try? At Active Thai, you can learn to read, write, and speak Thai. Try it out today for free. When everything is hot, dry, and sticky, add 1/2 cup of water. Mix well, then add oyster sauce. Stir and fry until the sauce thickens and the meat is thoroughly cooked. Taste the sauce and add additional sugar, ground pepper, or fish sauce as desired. The sauce should be dry, thick, and sticky. When it is, turn off the heat and serve. Garnish with fried garlic chips if you have them available. Now let's talk about the ingredients we used. We had about 400 grams of chunky cut chicken meat, 2 to 3 tablespoons of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of Thai light soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of Thai dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Worawut prefers using white pepper, but you can use black pepper if you like it more. Additionally, 1/2 teaspoon of rote D pork flavoring and 1/4 teaspoon of MSG can be added for extra flavor. But these are optional. You can leave them out and it will still taste great. Our contact information, websites, social medias, and complete recipe library are available online. Just follow the links in the video description below. Thank you and enjoy!